All right. Hey guys, welcome back to Allie's channel. So Allie is a little bit under the weather today, so she asked me to fill in for her because she loves you all so much and she would not miss an upload. So I'm sure a lot of you know that when you have a YouTube channel, specifically in beauty, you get a lot of fun packages that come to the door. And finally, there came a time where I'm like, I should start to steal some of these things and use them. So I have a whole bunch. I thought I would have like 3 or 4 things, and I started going through like my bathroom drawer, and I have so many things. So I'm gonna share with you some of the items, mostly just like some skincare and like shower stuff, but I'm gonna show you some items that I have stolen from Allie's PR packages because there are plenty of items in our household, and so why don't I try some too? I'm gonna start with like some shower stuff. Allie can probably hear me recording this. She's in the other room. She's probably laughing. Briogeo. I'm sure you guys have seen Allie talk about this. Literally, that's all that's in our shower, and I'm so glad because it's super good. This is that new one that Allie just talked about recently. It's a matcha and apple superfood shampoo. I really like this one. I try not to use it too much because it's Allie's favorite, but when I do use it, it's really good. I think I like this one because it's like really foamy. You know how some shampoos, especially like really healthy shampoos, they're just like, it's like rubbing oil in your hair or something. It just doesn't really like foam up. Well, this one foams up really well. And I like this one. This is like my go-to one if I feel guilty for using Allie's favorite. Then I use this one, which I love this one too. It smells good. So those are my favorite shampoos. I use a conditioner sometimes, but I only use conditioner maybe like once a week. Oh, another one. This is the scalp charcoal and coconut oil micro exfoliating shampoo, scalp revival one from Briogeo. It comes in the tub, and this one's new because I finished the other one. This one's really good. It has really like fine little gritty charcoal things in it, and so you rub it through your scalp, and it's super awesome. And I like it because it tingles because of the peppermint in it. And it also comes with a conditioner that I've used a couple times, which is really awesome. But I really like this. This is like if I just feel like I need a spa day or something. I guess this is part of my shower routine. This has become my favorite face wash ever. I used to use just the the Aveeno foaming face wash, which is really good. But it started to like dry out my face a little bit, especially here in Utah. It's super dry. But this one came in one of Allie's packages, and I don't even know if I asked her if I could use it, but I stole it. It's the Fresh, I used to call it Pony. I didn't know it was Peony. It's the Fresh Peony Brightening Foam Face Cleanser. I literally smell like a flower rosy grandmother of some sort, but it's really good. And you can tell that I really like it. I'm trying to squeeze and use the last bit that's left in this bottle, and Allie actually got me another one because she knows how much I like it. I really like this face wash. Most stuff that says like men's or like for men, I don't like it, and I don't buy it because I feel like there's not as much like research and development that goes into it. So it's like if it's a girly looking product like Briogeo, I don't really care because it's super good. Okay, I bought this actually, the Indian Healing Clay Mask on Amazon. It's like super cheap. I want to say this was like 10 bucks, and it's probably going to last forever. Mix it with apple cider vinegar, and anyway, it's a really fun face mask. Allie and I do this together sometimes, and it's really funny because we try not to laugh because then your face cracks, and it's a good time. The only thing is I like to shower when I rinse it off because I hate rinsing off face masks over the sink. This is probably not even good for the sink anyway because it's clay. But I feel like I make a mess and it goes everywhere, so I only use it if I'm going to shower. I couldn't find, because I used it all, but the Tatcha water cream, I think that's what it's called, right? The water cream. Yeah, the water cream. Of course, I know that. This is the mini one, which is also gone. There's a teeny bit left in there, like tiny bit. But I had the full size that I stole from Allie, and I was just gonna use it like for a little bit because I liked the smell and I liked that it was like a gel, like it was more watery. It wasn't like oily or greasy. And I ended up using the whole container. I couldn't find it. I was going to show you guys, but I found this mini one that I also used. But this is so good. I need to buy a new one. It was sent to us, but I would absolutely buy it. It's so good. And I think it's hyped up for the right reasons. I really like it. I think most men, when it comes to lotions, they just avoid them. So I think that's why I like this one, because it's really like lightweight, and when I put it on my face, it just seeps right in. It doesn't look like I'm wearing some like greasy, oily lotion. But this is super good. And when it ran out, I went through Allie's drawers and I found this one. It's by Belief, and it's Believe in Truth. Oh wait, I think that's their tagline. The True Cream Moisturizing Balm. But this one is very similar to the water cream. This is almost gone. I've almost used this whole thing. Like I said, it's really similar to the Tatcha water cream. The only difference is I feel like a little goes a long way. Whereas the water cream, I felt like I had to use quite a bit because it's so lightweight and it doesn't really like run very far when I use it, but this one does. And so I really like this one. That one's almost gone, and I would buy that again. This is adding up. It's really fun to like use all this stuff. I also bought this. I bought this at Ulta. So while Allie's going through the makeup aisles, I go through the other aisles, and I always see people use this on YouTube, and Allie talks about it sometimes. So I bought my own bottle, and it's very refreshing. I like it a lot. This by First Aid Beauty, the Ultra Repair Cream. Allie's also talked about this. I got my own tub of it, and I love this. This is actually a new tub because I have a container that's on my desk. I don't ever put it on my face. I think you can, but sometimes I get really dry spots on my arm or on my hands in the winter, and I feel like this, and like kind of on my shoulder sometimes gets dry. But I feel like this is another one of those, like, it seeps in really quick, kind of like the water cream. It's nothing like the water cream, but it seeps in really fast and I don't feel greasy. I hate like super greasy lotions. I'm sure a lot of people do, and I think a lot, or if not most men, just don't like that greasy feeling. I know my dad hates it, and I'm always like having to rub the grease like on my knees or something to get it off, but I feel like this soaks right in. It's super effective. In fact, sometimes when I'm like super dry and I use this, I feel it almost like tingles a little bit because I feel like it's that effective. Like it's super good. Yeah, I like this. It's a good one. Okay, this we have bought over and over again. We have also talked about this a lot. It's the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. This one is almost gone. This one's mine. I think Allie uses this one too sometimes. It's always next to our bed. I love it so much. Like a lot. It's super good. I like it because it stays on my lips all night long and it tastes really good. People probably don't even admit that, but it tastes really good. And everybody loves a good lip balm or chapstick or something that tastes good. So it's okay if you kind of taste it because I'm pretty sure all the ingredients are natural. But this is really good. It's kind of pricey. I think it's like $30 or something like that. But this probably lasts both of us maybe like 6 months at a time. Maybe longer, maybe shorter, depending on how much you use. But super good. And I feel like it's worth every penny. Like I said, we've bought several of these, and I even own I don't have it with me, but I own like the stick one. I don't like it as much because it doesn't taste as good. And it's a little bit more like waxy, like it's kind of hard to put on, whereas this is like a gel, so it's easy to squeeze out of the tube and put on your lips. This is really amazing. I read a few comments that like it doesn't work for some people, but you should try it if you haven't tried it. The last items. Allie got this package from Perricone MD, and I like looked up the prices a while ago. I forgot the prices, but all I remember is they were like $150 or more. Like they're really expensive, and when I saw the price, I was like, I have to try these. She had several of them. So this is the Perricone MD Cold Plasma Face. I don't know what that means, but I have used, there's like nothing. I have used the whole thing. At first I hated it because I felt like it smelled. Oh my gosh. Define smelt.
As the noun, it means a small silvery fish that lives in both marine and freshwater and is sometimes fished commercially.
Define smelled.
As the noun, it means the faculty or power of perceiving odors or scents by means of the organs in the nose. Do you want to hear the...
Both words are right. Anyway, I feel like this had like a fish smell, kind of, when I first started using it, and I didn't really like it, but then I was like, this is so expensive. I'm gonna use it. So I started to use it religiously. It's not like a moisturizer, it's just like it's just like a fancy cream. I noticed a huge difference in my skin. Haven't used it in a while because I used the whole thing and I'm leaving this for special occasions. Allie has another tub of this somewhere and I need to find it and use it because I really liked it. I would probably not buy this because of the price tag. I probably would not buy this because it's so expensive. Since it was sent to Allie, I used it and I really liked it. I felt really bougie. Is that the word? And I felt like a king. And to go along with it was the cold plasma eye cream. I still have tons of this left. Like a little goes a super, super long way. This doesn't really have a scent. And I feel like, because I smile a lot and I get lots of wrinkles when I smile. And from my last video that I followed Allie's tutorial, you guys all know that I have lots of forehead wrinkles. I mean, I don't put it on it. I probably should. But I feel like it got rid of like all the lines that I used to have here. The eye cream. Super, super awesome. Like I said, it's so expensive and I don't think I would buy it. If I do ever repurchase that, not repurchase, if I ever purchase it on my own, I will update you and let you know. But it was really fun to use, so thanks Paracone MD for sending this. I felt very special. So yeah, those are all the items. Go show Allie some love in her DMs on Instagram. Leave some comments. I'm sure she'll be reading them. And hopefully she will feel a lot better for Thursday's video. She works so hard and I hope you guys know how much I love her, but also how much she loves you guys. I'm convinced that she is the greatest YouTuber in the world and I wish we could document 24/7 how much love she expresses constantly for you guys and when she reads your comments and receives your DMs. I really wish I should sometime record it because it's pretty incredible how much love she has for each of you on such like an individual level, which seems like it would be impossible because there are so many of you that watch her. But thank you so much for always showing your love and support for Allie. It means the world to me. And yeah, just know she loves you so much. And it's not just some superficial statement when she says that she loves you, because she really, 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 really means it. And she's so different than everybody else here on YouTube. She's the best. Anyway, thank you for watching. If you use any of these items like the Briogeo, the Fresh Face Wash, the Touch Water Cream, the Belief Cream, the Briogeo, all of this stuff, Mario Badescu, I'm sure lots of you have this. It's pretty affordable. Let me know how you like all of these items. And maybe I'll make another one of these videos. I don't know. It might be a while because these are like all the things that I use. So have a beautiful Tuesday. Have a wonderful evening. And Allie will see you. Well, you'll see Allie hopefully in her next video. Until then, love you. Bye! Did I do good?